My name's John Johnson and I'm the Managing Director here at iHelios. iHelios consists of a couple of different businesses. We actually have a company called iHelios Limited and iHelios Energy Limited as well. iHelios Limited is really involved in the manufacture and development of smart heating systems, infrared heating systems, and a suite of smart tech as well.
My name's James Deering, Business Development Manager at Connexin. My role is to support new and existing customers with their telecoms requirements. After meeting with iHelios, what we did is we installed a Gigabit fibre to site. We installed a managed network throughout the building with individual routers in each apartment. The segregation and security was managed on the core router, ensuring that each apartment was separate from one another and all devices were secure across the network.
All of our products actually operate by being connected effectively via the internet. So the smart elements of all of those, be it the heating systems, the security systems, lighting systems and what have you, all actually connect through a single iHelios app. So that app enables someone to be able to manage all of those things, whether or not they're actually in the home or whether or not they're on the road. I think that for anyone who's looking to ensure that they actually have a business that runs on rails, then Connexin is a good partner to have to actually manage the tech side of that and the connectivity.